Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, it's not rigged. It's not skinned. Um, yeah, I wouldn't worry about this. I mean, it's just so you can point the elbow, and it points the elbow. So once it's skinned, you can put this wherever you want, and and the knee looks fine as well. Um, it's I really don't see any problem with this stuff. I would just skin it and go from there. Um, I wouldn't have waited. Whoops, is this unreferenced? Oh, it's keyframe. Let's delete the delete by type channels. Um, Select deform joints. Set smooth bind options. Okay, let's see how that did. Oops. All objects on. Okay. Seems to be working all right. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's going to be any issue with, you know, positioning the arm the way, whoops, the way you want it with this. You can just point the elbow. It's not really a problem. Um, that's acting a little not so great. Let me just hide the joints. It's so dark. It's doing something a little weird with the. Might try a different bind method for the hands. Let's just delete history off these. Alt Shift D, and then let's bind those again and see if heat map does. Oops, I meant to hit this guy. See if heat map does a better job. Select form joints. Yeah, selected joints, but let's try heat map and see if it does that weird bulgy thing at the wrist. Oh, that's worse. For a sec. What the heck? Wait a minute. Let's try that one more time because that should do a better job than that. Select a form joint, select smooth bind options, select the joints, heat map, bind skin. I wonder if I just. Weird. How about this one? This is concerning. Why are those joints off? Look, that one worked slightly better. Okay, hold on a second. Let's open this file again. Oh, this is way off. Yeah, this is before I've modified everything. So this is more or less correct, but I'm wondering if your character is not symmetrical or something. Um, because these joints are all way off. If we look, let me just go to cause yeah, look how far off all that stuff is. So that's not going to work. But why it did such a bad job binding? Because this looks placed quite well. Let me check. Oh my god, why is it not let me? Oh, I forgot this is on reference. Okay, let's just. Oh, that's already unlocked. Let's put its pivot point at DX, middle mouse snap. Let's freeze transformation. And let's delete this one. Let's select this one, Control D, scale on the X -1. Aha! So the problem was that your model was in the wrong place. Okay, so what I still don't understand is why it did such a bad job of finding this one. Let's just try it again just for fun. Whoops. Oh, that's looking better on this one anyway. Oh no, it's doing that weird bulgy thing that I didn't like. Okay. But that one's not. Look at that. Interesting. Why would that be if it's symmetrical and I just copied it over? Don't know. What I do sometimes then is take this one, shift select this one, skin, mirror skin weights, which is here, options from the negative side to the positive side. So we'll turn that off. Mirror. And let's see how that's working now. Better. Good. Although there was this arm. See, this wasn't clearly. This wasn't also was not symmetrical because when I duplicated the hand over, it didn't line up the same with this. So you might want to remirror this object as well, the torso and arms, to get those to match. Or I think actually that's what I would do is I would cut this in half and remirror this torso object so that those are symmetrical, which might affect your texture, which means maybe you just want to adjust the model instead of mirroring it. But anyway, yeah, I mean, you just need to bind it and go through the steps, but yeah, so, but I think the rig is fine, and the way you have it's fine.